Did you know that a single, focused task can be completed 25% faster with just 2 minutes of uninterrupted work? Imagine being able to concentrate on a single task without any distractions and getting it done in less time than you ever thought possible. This phenomenon occurs when you use a technique called the Pomodoro Technique, where you work in focused 25-minute increments, followed by a 5-minute break. The idea behind this technique is to eliminate distractions and stay focused on the task at hand, allowing you to complete it in a shorter amount of time. But that's not the only benefit. Using the Pomodoro Technique can also help you stay motivated and avoid burnout. So how does it work? It's quite simple, really. First, you choose a task that you want to complete, and then you set a timer for 25 minutes. During that time, you focus exclusively on the task at hand and avoid any distractions or interruptions. When the timer goes off, you take a 5-minute break and then repeat the process. And here's the amazing part: studies have shown that using the Pomodoro Technique can increase productivity by up to 25%. But that's not the strangest part. Did you know that using this technique can also improve your memory and cognitive function? It's true. When you focus on a single task for an extended period of time, your brain starts to make new connections and pathways, which can actually improve your ability to learn and remember new information. And it's not just about the productivity benefits. Using the Pomodoro Technique can also help you develop a greater sense of self-awareness and discipline. So, how can you start using the Pomodoro Technique to boost your productivity and improve your focus? First, you need to choose a task that you want to complete, and then you need to set a timer for 25 minutes. Next, you need to eliminate any distractions or interruptions and focus exclusively on the task at hand. And finally, you need to take regular breaks to give yourself time to rest and recharge. But wait until you hear what comes next. Using the Pomodoro Technique can also help you overcome procrastination and stay motivated. That's right. When you break down a large task into smaller, manageable chunks and focus on completing one chunk at a time, you can actually make progress and feel a sense of accomplishment. And here's the best part: using the Pomodoro Technique can also help you develop a greater sense of confidence and self-efficacy. So, what are you waiting for? Start using the Pomodoro Technique today and see the amazing benefits for yourself. And remember, the key to success is not just about being productive, but also about being focused and motivated. By using the Pomodoro Technique, you can achieve your goals and live a more fulfilling life. So, don't wait any longer. Start using the Pomodoro Technique today and see the amazing benefits for yourself. And if you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible productivity tips and tricks. Want more mind-blowing facts about productivity and focus? Hit subscribe and join our journey of discovery. Subscribe to our channel for more incredible productivity tips and tricks.